Wow, that was quite a formidable list और इन्हीं stars की इस list में और दो नाम जुड़ गए हैं. So please welcome the gorgeous Dia Mirza and the dashing Zayed Khan जिन्होंने मिलकर शुरू किया है उनका खुद का production house, Born Free Entertainment. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations to begin with.
Thank you very much.
I think हमारे viewers को शायद ये ना मालूम हो कि आप लोग बहुत सालों से बहुत अच्छे friends रह चुके हैं. So when did this idea of becoming business partners come about? कब ये ख्याल आया कि अब business में जाना चाहिए इकट्ठे?
I had thought of this story idea. Sahil and Zayed were working on this action comedy. लिख रहे थे दोनों. लिख चुके थे. They were contemplating on making it. And हम लोग Zayed की छत पे बैठे थे एक रात को. And I just looked at Zayed and I said, Z, why don't we just do this ourselves? Because we're passionate about it. हम जानते हैं कि हमें इसको लेकर क्या करना है. और कभी कभार क्या हो जाता है कि आप एक कहानी बोलने जाते हैं, किसी और के हाथ में दे देते हैं और फिर वो कहानी कम और प्रोजेक्ट ज़्यादा बन जाती है. एंड वी पुट आवर होल टीम टुगेदर लाइक दैट. एंड जहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस की ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर है. Like Javed Saab is doing the lyrics for the film, Salim Suleimana doing the music for the film. The DOP is an experienced DOP, Asim Bajaj, who's done phenomenal work.
Correct.
So the departments that required the experience have it, and the youth that we needed in the film has come in different forms.
But अगर आप industry में देखें, mixing friendship and business has not gone down very well. Whether it was SRK and Farah, whether it's Sanjay Gupta, Sanjay Dutt, so उस डर का क्या करें?
At this stage, I would say one thing very simply, that Zayed, Sahil and I share a deep sense of love, respect and trust in each other. And everything else is secondary.
Talking about Born Free Entertainment itself, कितना बड़ा है ये project financially?
We have been given wings to do exactly what we want.
I think the idea is to entertain economically. हम किसी भी level पर कभी भी ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनाना चाहते जहाँ पर जो फिल्म की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो कहानी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, उससे कई ज़्यादा उसमें डाल दे फिजूल के.
जहाँ 2 रुपए की चाय है उसके 50 रुपए नहीं देते हैं basically.
Correct. When we started hiring and we told people that we wanted to spend 5 months in pre-production on a romantic comedy, 90% of the people's jaw dropped to the floor. Because they didn't understand the concept of why we would need 5 months to prepare for a romantic film. The idea is to give the actors, the technicians, enough time to prepare for the roles that they need to execute on set. So whether it was our mood boards, our production design, our costume design, or the actors' dialogues, everything was given to everyone 2.5-3 months before we actually go on floor.
There's this trend, जो actors producers बन रहे हैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा forthcoming हो रहा है अब. And why is it happening? आप लोगों ने ऐसा क्यों किया?
I love cinema. मुझे हमेशा ये लगता था कि मैं डायरेक्टर बनूंगी, लेकिन डायरेक्टर हाँ वो तो बनूंगी, पर उसके पहले मैं प्रोड्यूसर बन गई. I think it was the most natural decision I've ever made.
I think producers are more hands-on rather than just being
the money bags.
The table profiteers.
ले लो पैसा काम कर लो. You're more involved with the entirety of the process, and I think that's what really challenges
But that's fun.
actors who turn producers, because it's just the level of involvement really that excites you.
Yeah.
Now we have a very big family. We're responsible for like close to 250 people, but it feels good. It's not a power trip for us at all.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, for us, it's even the Born Free way is very democratic. There is no boss, there's no sir. Everybody calls each other by their names. And if you have something more intelligent to input, then please go ahead and do it.
In some ways, isn't this a bigger gamble though than acting? As a producer, what happens? One wrong move and it could be devastating. How does that work?
Simple एक sentence में बोलूँ, if you risk nothing, you risk nothing.
You said it's a people-driven industry. So इसमें जहाँ आपने इतने सालों में, you said it's close to 10 years for you, जो connections बनाए हैं, जो contacts बने हैं, क्या जब आप production house शुरू करते हैं ऐसा, that's what's going to help
सभी का प्यार
make you
मिलता
grow?
है, सभी के
Everything helps you.
Every day we are just grateful for all the people who've come forward. Some of the deals that we've got, which are financial deals, which we probably wouldn't have got if the people that have brought them to us
Correct. No,
didn't care
absolutely.
for us.
Absolutely.
What happens to the mainstream acting? That continues on the side?
Of course, acting is my first love. मैं हमेशा, अपनी जो भी pictures हैं जो मैं दूसरे directors के साथ करूँगा, I'll always give as much time as I would give to my own production house.
I was like panicking 2 months ago. I was like, oh God, Zayed, please finish all your schedules with everybody else. I need you with me 100%.
I know, she's like really like, she's like, I want you to finish all your films before we start. I'm like, you know, Diya, I also have a life.
I am very passionate and I'm a bit of a control freak. I like to be very involved. I'm a big control freak. I like to be involved with the tiniest of details and make sure that everybody on my film is comfortable and happy and positive and
she
is enjoying the process.
She does a wonderful job about it, I have to say.
I have consciously backed out from a lot of work to be able to execute this correctly.
She really is like the mother of the company, you know, and she's...
I'm Javed Akhtar's mother as well right now. I probably call
That's
him
a
more
big
than most of his family does. Javed Saab, please, aaj milenge.
And she does it with such a sweet smile, it's unreal.
I can see how that works.
He's so
Javed
cute.
Saab.
The moment he says, the most beautiful producer in the country.
This is why I'm motivated to come in the night to write a song.
Whatever works. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
on the
you.
show, and
Thank you.
really, really wishing the very best from all of us here.
Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.